Hi students, good morning to everyone. In our previous class, we learned two games. One game is depending on clap, snap, tap. Now second game is depending on long stick, medium stick and short stick. Today we are going to learn some problems depending on these two games. These games we have to play. Actually, there is no children. It is impossible to play it. Then we have to do some problems on clap, snap, tap game, and long stick, medium stick, short stick. Now, page number 44. Chapter name is Numbers with 3 digits. Numbers with 3 digits. With 3 digits. Page number 44. 12. Play the game. Play the game. In this game, snap. Snap means one. In bracket one. Next, clap. 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 10. And tap. Tap means 100. Snap means to take a sharp noise using your fingers. Snap means to make a sharp noise using your fingers. Snap means once. Next, clap. Clap means to hit your open hands to make a sound. Clap means to hit your open hands to make a sound. Next one, tap. Tap means to hit something to make a sound. Tap means to hit something to make a sound means big sound. In this page, you are given one box that is tap, claps, snaps. Next, place value. Finally, number. in place value. Yes, this is a box in page number 44. Example, they are given values. Digit 2 in tabs, digit 5 in claps, digit 8 in snaps. As tab means 100, means 2 into 100, 200. Five claps. Five claps means 5 times. 5 times 50. 8 snaps. 8 snap means 1. 8 ones are 8. The place value of 2 is 200. Place value of 5, 50. Place value of 8, 8 ones are 8. Here tab means 100. Claps means tens. Snap means ones. 2 tabs means 200. 5 claps means 5 times 50. Snap. 8 snap means 8 ones are 8. Number means we should add this all values, that is 200 plus 50 plus 8. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 5, 5, 2. The number is 258. This is an example in page number 44. Actually, this is a game. There is no children. It is impossible to play. Then we do some problems depending on snap, clap, tap. Okay, students. Next one is 3. The digit 3 in taps, 6 in claps, 2 in snaps. 3 taps. Taps means 100. 3 into 100. 300. The digit 6 in claps. Claps means 10. 6 tens are 60. The digit 2 in snap. Snap means 1. 2 ones are 2. 3 taps. 3 taps. 6 claps. 2 snaps. 362. 362. 360 and 2. Addition of 360 and 2. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 6, 6, only 3. Total number 362. Next, the digit 4 in taps, the digit 3 in claps, the digit 1 in snaps. And taps means 100. 100, 4 or 4 into 100. 400. It is over. 3. The digit 3 in claps. Claps means 10. 3 tens are 30. 10 threes are 30. Now 1. The digit 1 in snaps. Snap means 1. 1 ones are 1. Yes. 4 taps means 400. 3 claps means 30. 1 snap means 1 ones are 1. Now addition of 400, 30 and 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 3, 3. Finally, number 4. 431. The number forming with taps, claps, snaps is 431. Next, The digit 5 in taps, the digit 2 in claps, the digit 3 in snaps. Yes. 5 taps. Taps means 100. 5 into 100. 500. The digit 2 in claps. Claps means tens. 2 tens are 20. The digit 3 in snaps. Snaps means 1. 3 ones are 3. 5 taps means 500. 2 claps means 20. 3 snaps means 3 ones are 3. Now the total is 500, 20 and 3. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 2, 2 and last final. Yes, the combination of taps, claps, snaps is 523. 523. This is a simple calculation depending on taps, claps, snaps. Taps means 100, claps means 10, snaps means 1. Yes, friends, please copy this one in your running note, page number 44, 12, play the game. That is snap, clap, tap. Snap means 1, clap means 10, tap means 100. These 4 problems write in your running note. Next, 13th game, that is page number 45, play a game with sticks. Now, page number 45, 13th one, play a game with sticks. With sticks. Here, long stick means 100. Medium stick, medium stick means 10. Short stick means 1. One long stick means 100, one medium stick 10, one short stick equal to 1. This is also a game. Here there is no children. It is impossible to play game. We do some problems depending on long stick, medium stick, one short stick. That is 10, sorry, 100, 10, 1. Now here example is given, that is the one box. Big stick. Medium stick. Short stick. Number form. Number form. See, in this example, page number 45, big sticks are 4. Medium sticks are 6. Short sticks are 5. Big sticks means 100. How many big sticks are there? 4. 4 into 100. 400. Plus number of medium sticks are 6. Medium sticks means 10. 10 six are 6 tens are 60. Short sticks. There are 5 short sticks. Short sticks means 1. 5 ones are 5. The addition of 400, 60 and 5. Big sticks are 4, medium sticks are 6, short sticks are 5. The addition of 400 plus 60 plus 5. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 6, 6, only 4. The combination of 4 big sticks, 6 medium sticks and 5 short sticks is 465. 465. Yes, this number form is to 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Next one. The digit 2 in big sticks. The digit 3 in medium sticks. And the digit 4 in short sticks. 2 big sticks. Big stick means 100. 200. 200. 2 into 100, 200. Plus 3 medium sticks. Medium sticks means 10. 3 tens are. 3 tens are 30. And short stick 4. The value of short stick is 1. 4 ones are 4. As number found with 2 big sticks, 3 medium sticks, 4 short sticks. Addition of 200, 30 and 4. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 3, 3 and 2. 234. Our answer is 234 with 2 big sticks, 3 medium sticks and 4 short sticks. The number is 234. Next, the digit 3 in big sticks, the digit 4 in medium sticks, the digit 2 in short sticks. Big sticks, hundreds, 3 into 100, 300 plus medium sticks, 4, 4 tens are 40, short sticks, 2, Short x means 1. 2 ones are 2. Number 342. 342. 342. Next. The digit 1 in big stick. The digit 2 in short medium stick. The digit 3 in short stick. Big sticks. How many big sticks are there? Only one. 1 into 100? 100. How many medium sticks are there? 2. 2 tens are 20. 3 short sticks are there. 3 ones are 3. 100 plus 23. 123. 123. The digit 5 in big sticks. The digit 1 in medium stick. The digit 6 in short sticks. Big sticks 100. 5 into 100. 500. Medium sticks only one. 1 tens are 10. Short sticks are 6. 6 ones are 6. The number formed with 5 big sticks, 1 medium stick, and 6 short sticks. 510 and 6. 510, 6. 500 plus 10 plus 6. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 1, 1, 5. 516. 516. As the number formed with 5 big sticks, 1 medium stick. There are 6 short sticks. The number is 516. This is the problems depending on long stick, medium stick, and short stick. Occasion, make this copy in your running notes. Write down. Next, we see some expanded form and short form. I give some problems for homework and make it and do. Write the number in the expanded form. Write the number in the expanded form. Now question A. 617. B. 918. C. 807. D. 359. E. 432. Yes. 794. 617. 533. Question, write the number in the expanded form. First one I explain here. Remaining B, C, D, E, F, G, H are homework. First, we look at the place value. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. Here, the digit 6 in 100 place. 6 into 100. 600 plus the digit in tens place is 1. 1 tenths are 10. The digit 7 in ones place. 7 ones are 7. This is called expand form. You write remaining B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That is in homework. This homework also had in your running notes. Write the number in the expanded form. Next one is short form. Next one is short form. Yes, short form. Yes, short form. 900 plus 70 plus 5. 800 plus 50 plus 3. 700 plus 30 plus 1. 610 plus 9. 500 plus 20 plus 8. 400 plus 60 plus 2. 300 plus 80 plus 4. 200 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, so write the answer. That is in the short form. I explain first one. See here first in A 900. After 900 70 plus 5. We should add. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. Only 9. 975. The answer is 975. First one answer is 970 and 5. 975. Remaining B, C, D, E, F, G, H are homework. This homework write in your running note. Okay, students, this is a third chapter. Just we have finished now. Tomorrow I will start new chapter. Okay, students, goodbye.